coach Michael Mina, and the Mary Rose Mansis.
They are wearing a brown jersey. Okay, please have your photo off. Alright, they are the hoteliers. Okay. Okay, be ready. Ang susunod natin is La Liga Pilipinas. I hope they are already there. And our second team is La Liga Pilipinas.
Team manager
Let's go.
Pete Calo, coach
Wow, they're
and
wearing
Damis.
orange and light blue jersey. Alright, our third group, everybody, please say roar. Everybody, because our third group is Wildcat. Say roar. Okay. Whoa. They're wearing green and dark green jersey. I think they're really Wildcats.
Team manager we have Mr. Dupay and the coach Mr. Chris Lamson.
Kuya, lumayo ka dyan, natatakpan ang video.
Alright, that is Wildcats. Alright, now next group is, do you want to die? Then this is the team, Red to Kill. Let's welcome Red to Kill. Okay, Red to Kill. They're not present right now. Then the big group is Monsour's basketball team.
Nagpapawisan ako sa mga miss nila.
Basketball we have a team manager Mr. Cali Cobello and the coach